Paying $100 to effectively replace your daily painkillers sounds like a miracle or a total heist. You see these ads for the OrthoBed bamboo mattress topper everywhere lately. They follow you across every social media platform. They target anyone who has ever complained about a sore back or chronic pain. The pitch is incredibly bold. It claims that a simple piece of fabric can fix fibromyalgia and osteoarthritis. I decided to look closer at what is actually going on here. On the surface, the product details seem fine. It uses a brushed microfiber surface and a special spiral fiber filling. Bamboo fiber is actually a great material for bedding. It genuinely wicks away moisture. It stays much cooler than standard polyester. If you have an old foam mattress, a topper like this can add a soft layer of cushioning. That helps with pressure points. Some people who actually bought it say it made their old bed feel brand new. But the good news ends right there. The company behind this is called Home and Garden Trend. They currently hold a failing F rating from the Better Business Bureau. That is as low as it goes. There are numerous complaints from buyers who paid their money and received absolutely nothing. They sent emails that went ignored. They tried calling phone numbers that simply do not work. It is a total ghost town once they have your credit card information. Then there are the reviews on their own website. They claim a nearly perfect rating from over 18,000 customers. That looks impressive until you realize the store owner can edit or delete anything they want. When you look at independent review sites, the story changes completely. The rating drops significantly and the number of actual reviews is tiny. Then you have the health claims. They say 97% of people feel relief on their very first night. They claim 82% of people over 35 have specific medical conditions. These numbers sound official, but there are zero studies cited to back them up. They are just marketing fluff. The real smoking gun was hidden in the setup instructions on their own page. The guide references a completely different product name called the Lucid Bed. This happened because the store is selling the exact same topper under at least 3 different names. They use OrthoBed, Lucid Bed, and Bamboo Bed. They even use the same reviews and images for all of them. It is just a generic white label product that has been rebranded to see what sticks. You can find the exact same quality of bamboo topper on major retail sites for $30 or $40. They are charging you 3 times the actual value for a basic comfort item. The topper itself is probably a fine piece of bedding. It will likely be soft and cool to the touch. But the marketing is built on inflated health claims and a total lack of transparency. If you want a bamboo topper, you are much better off buying a certified version from a reputable marketplace. You will save $50 and have a real return policy. If you still want to order from this specific site, please use a payment method with strong buyer protection. Do not let a glossy ad convince you to hand over your money to a company that will not even answer your emails. It is always better to look past the hype and see the product for what it really is. Now you have the full story. I'm glad I went down this rabbit hole so you do not have to.